If you're looking to take advantage of your iPhone for background sounds, for white noise, anything like that, ocean, rain sounds, just to help you sleep, get some work done, iPhone has your back. If you go into settings, accessibility, audio visual, background sounds, now this can be connected to a speaker or just using the speaker on your iPhone like you would as your alarm clock. There's rain noise, ocean noise, bright noise, and a few other options, allowing you to actually utilize these sounds before you go to bed to actually eliminate background noise, annoying neighbors, or maybe you just have a roommate who maybe stays up late. This is a great resource to use if you struggle with falling asleep at night. Now, you also are able to use this with AirPods, which is really cool because if you wanted to put one AirPod in, and if you sleep on the other side that doesn't have the AirPod in, this would be a great resource to have so you don't have your background noise maybe making noise for your roommate who likes it quiet, but you also can have something in your ears to actually eliminate noise around you. So use this accessibility feature to help gain some of your silence and peace and quiet back. See you guys next time.